I'm gonna assemble the rest of the window here. I got the glass back in. There's a seal that goes in between, and then this seal goes on the outside, and this bracket screws on here. So I didn't film any of it. I should have filmed it a little bit, but I didn't. So I pulled the frame off, had it powder coated black, so it used to be chrome. I bought a new seal, put it in. It was actually very difficult. I ended up using like dish soap and putting it around the edge, and then it slid right in. I tried glass cleaner, it did not work. And then this outer seal probably took me about 20 minutes each window to get that outer seal on. And then I screwed this bracket back on. I did get new screws. I just put those in. And now I'm going to put the pop out mechanism on, which I also had powder coated. Screw this on, like so. You want it to move a little, obviously, so if you do it too tight, then it won't move. I'll probably leave this loose, and when I get it in the car, then I'll tighten the set screw. The piece that goes here, it goes on this side, which actually mounts it to the window right here. So there's a hole right there. So this will go here, like this. And then on the other side, there's a round pin. It'll go in there, and then you stick a little clip in. This tiny little clip in there to hold it all together. We got one in. This outer seal is super tight. So it's like really pushing on here. It was really hard to get everything lined up in here. So I didn't really video. I'm gonna do time lapse. My wife's helping me, so I'm just probably gonna put the camera on time lapse. But you gotta fit this piece, slide it in here. But that seal is so new and thick, you have to like push it really hard up against this, and it was hard to line everything up, but we're gonna give it a whirl. I'll just video right now. We'll see how it is live action pain. Maybe we'll leave that on there and we'll see if it shouldn't be in the way now that I think about it. So the other side, I took all this off and then put it back on after, but I'm gonna have my wife kind of hold it. I'm gonna go on the inside, and I got my screws ready. Here we go. Oh, she already had it kind of lined up. So we're gonna go out there. Here has to go in. You guys can see it. There's a hole there and there. And then this seal is holding us back. So I gotta kind of like really push and line it up really hard. Okay, I ended up taping the seal back, and that seemed to help for now. I got one screw in so far, and I think I got it. Right on. Okay, cool. There's one up here, so 3 total, and there's a plate you had to put in behind it, and then this is going to go on here. So you got to put these on after. So you want to do the top, middle, and bottom one, and then hopefully these actually line up. Feels like it is. I'm gonna kind of leave it loose. This side definitely easier than the other side because I taped that seal down. So, and then we'll stick this back up. Let me get the tape off. All right, wasn't the best videoing, but we got this one on. So I can't put the pop out in because I don't have that piece. I just put a little paint on them. So it will dry satin. It won't be shiny, but so I probably won't put that on for probably a day or two, but got this side in. I'm going to go ahead and put the molding back up, and I'll trim it accordingly. All right. Alrighty. Stick that in first because that'll go down. We'll get that up in there. Okay. Okay. So I got this on here, and it goes, you can kind of tuck it in here on both sides there. And then once I get the pop out latch, that piece painted, I'll be able to put the pop out on. That's where we're at. It's coming along nicely. The headliner, I wish it was a little tighter. I don't know. There's the bars go through here and it kind of just holds it. I glued, maybe I should have glued like up higher. I don't know. Because that just looks like crap. Got the hinges put on. So when the other piece is dry, I'll be able to pop those on real quick. They're both on. My wife and I are going to put the windshield in. She really wanted to help.
Yes.
She couldn't wait. Got a little bit more done since last time. Started doing some of the dash wiring. Then there, Jeff came over, helped me kind of do a slight alignment on the front end. Some parts out here, but it's my steering wheel. Got the boot on. Arlo came and started putting in the seat belts. So this carpet piece is done. I got to put the shifter in still. But that's where we're at. So we're going to go ahead and put the front windshield in. Like close this hood. I'll just probably put it on time lapse for this process. Why we struggle to put it in. I got a new windshield from a local place here in Oregon. It was like $146, really reasonable. Ordered the seal from West Coast Metrics, and I got the seal on. I got the rope inside here, and we are going to, I'll probably put a little soap on the edges here all the way around, just so it kind of slides in better. And here we go. Okay, we're gonna stick her in the hole. Stick the string on the inside. Okay. Hopefully, this is what. Oh, okay. And kind of get it close. Up in there. Up in there. Okay. Are you pretty good right there? Feel like you're. I think that's pretty good right there. Okay, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna pull on the rope. My wife's gonna hold it so it doesn't fall out of the car. So The little rope is right there. I'm going to pull it, is the goal, over, and hopefully it'll be, you know, the seal will go in. But we'll see. We'll see if we can do this the first time. So I don't know if you guys can see any of that, but will you push there, Stacy? Okay. So no, you're fine. I'm just pulling it, and it kind of goes over the edge there. And then as we go around, we're gonna hopefully pull the whole seal in. All right, we got it in. I'm gonna go ahead and, it needs to go down or up here a little bit more, but it's pretty dang close. So I'm gonna push it down a little and just wiggle the window around. But that's in. Pretty quick. How long did that take us? Yeah, a few minutes, not bad. Cool. Now I'm gonna do the back glass. I'm gonna put the seal on it. I'll just put it on time lapse. I'll get the seal on. Okay, I got it all on. Just kind of gonna go around and just push down, make sure it's all the way seated on there. And then I'm gonna grab the rope. Oh, I just got a rope here. It's not super thick, but big enough. So I'm gonna go around and tuck it in the seal at the top here. I'll give it a little zoom here. We go on this side. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lift up this edge and tuck it in. This part, this seal goes on the inside of the vehicle. So just like that. And then we're just gonna do that all the way around the whole thing. Okay, so I got that in. There might be an easier way to put that in. I don't know. Honestly, it probably took me, 2 minutes to go around the window. All right, we got it in. Went in fairly easy. This one was a little harder, right? But we got it in. So let that sit up. Hopefully it doesn't leak. So we got all the windows in now, which is awesome. I still haven't put the doors on yet because I keep going in and out, and I'm just probably gonna get all the electrical done, and then we'll put the doors on. Ducks won.
Ducks win.
Hopefully they win again. We will see. Right on. I think we're gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. I didn't film a whole lot this time, but it's all right. Like and subscribe if you want. Share with a pal. Oh. Rogie's having a ball. The thing I'm looking forward to most about getting done with the car is being able to clean up my garage, because it's just, I got parts literally piled up everywhere. So if I had a shop, maybe it would be a little better. It'd just be parts scattered all over the place probably, or maybe I could get more shelves or something, but it's all good. That's what it's all about.
It looks good. It's dirty.
I know. Do you want to help me wash it?
No.
What?
I'm
What about the
gonna
back window? How's that?
good
It's nice. It's
and
in.
dirty.
And they're gonna need, I need to wash them all.